Welcome back to Worldwide Boat. My name is Joania. Today we are on ACTA, which is a 168 Feadship built in 2007, and it had a recent refit in 2020. Let's check it out. This formal dining forward can accommodate up to 10 guests. It has a great feature, which is this beautiful carpeting that resembles a school of fish going around in a circle around the table. So this boat can comfortably accommodate up to 10 guests in 5 cabins, and it is a lot of boat for 10 guests. So check out this detail on the floor. They are inlaid pieces of wood made to look like fish scales. ACTA is a 4-deck yacht, and it also features its own elevator. So this master cabin is absolutely dreamy. It's full beamed. It features its own private aft deck. There's also a beautiful working space table, and it has a sitting area with its own TV and a walk-through his and hers ensuite bathroom with tons of closet space and even a gym. I am in love with this space. This is such an incredible space. This is the aft deck right off of the master cabin, and it has its own jacuzzi and tons of sitting area for you to relax and enjoy. So one of the great features of this yacht is that it has very spacious cabins. This is one queen cabin that has its own settee, ensuite bathroom, private TV, and it feels really cozy and comfortable in here. So here in one of the queen guest cabins, you have a spacious ensuite with his and her sink, a vanity, and a great shower. This twin guest cabin is unusually spacious, and it can comfortably accommodate a young teenager or adults. So we're on the main aft deck, and this is a great shaded area. This beautiful table can accommodate up to 12 guests. So ACTA has a great selection of toys. You can see 2 sea bobs here on display and many more in the garage, and 2 tenders. So I am with Ben, who is stew on this yacht. You've been on board for how long?
I've been on the boat since about March now, yeah. It's been honestly a very fun time so far. Really liking the crew. Seems like a really great kind of family unit amongst all the officers. Mostly men on board, but hopefully we're gonna get a few more women on board soon with some more stews as well.
How long have you been in yachting?
I've been in yachting since February of last year, actually. Started on a day charter up in Charleston and came down here because I wanted to do a season in the Caribbean, and luckily we actually just did a month in the BVIs, which was fantastic.
What's your favorite part of the boat?
I actually think my favorite part of the boat is going to be the main salon. I think all the colors really work really well together. Plus, when we get our floral decorations done, I think the red really brings out the room. And it's just a great spot for everyone to kind of meet up, especially with the coffee nook over there. It seems like to be a really big focal
from the
point.
BVIs, yeah.
Great.
So
So he loves the interior decor as much as I do.